and then we're going to finish up kind of Italian twist with a pasta dish. Another one of our products, and it's still one of our top sellers, is a Morel mushroom cream. We'll put the pasta in and let it warm up in the sauce. For this sort of application, you can cut or you can just tear the beef into bite-sized pieces, and then I'm just going to toss it in the sauce. Maybe 30 seconds or so while I saute some other mushrooms. A little bit of butter. And then I just tore some of that fresh basil that we had left over from the Thai dish, folding it into the pasta, give it some color, give it some of that aroma.
So you want to keep your pasta really a little bit more al dente so that they finish to cook with the sauce and absorb all the flavors.
And then we just have some additional wild mushrooms or mushrooms from another local farm combination here that we're finishing that with, just to make sure our flavors are more well-rounded, get some different textures. I'm going to finish it with some Parmesan, just shave some chunks over the top.